Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at top 3 altcoins to potentially buy on the dip right now. So if we take a look here at the market in the past 24 hours, we're down about almost 1% or so. Our top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be ANKR, which is up about 18%, trading at $19.25. Currently, highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. We had some pretty decent volume happening here, actually about 33.4 billion in volume. Ethereum at around 19.9 billion right there. So the volume is pretty much close to, double what it was a few days ago. So we've seen a lot of momentum, but there's reason behind that. We saw a huge dip happen here, and obviously everybody started to buy that dip. And then as we bought that dip, more volume obviously started to pour in. So right now, Bitcoin is trading flat here in the past 24 hours. Ethereum's down about 1.8%. Bitcoin holding strong around this 42,000. We dipped down close to about under 40,000 for a minute, and then everybody just started to buy the dip really, really quickly. Ethereum trading at around 3,100. We went under 3,000 at one point as well. Altcoins all over the place, guys. Everything is either up a little bit, down a little bit, or down pretty big. So things are, up 2 or 3%, down 2 or 3%, possibly even down, 5 or 6%, as you can see here with the meme coins and different things like that. And then we have a NEO protocol just going up 16%, like nothing else is happening here. Same with Cosmos, up over 6% or so. Meanwhile, the rest of the market is taking a beating. So the market is all over the place right now. And, I'm predicting that we might be seeing a little bit of a bearish crypto market here for the next few months. And then potentially, as we go into maybe like April and May, and into the summer, I believe crypto might make a little bit of a comeback, and that's just my opinion. But stay tuned, further into this video for more content on that. So, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying. So, first of all, crypto bubbles. Things are still looking very, very red. We're only seeing a few green bubbles on this, just like in yesterday's video when we covered it. Today, I think I'm even seeing less green than I did yesterday. I'm only seeing maybe about 4 or 5 green coins right here. Everything else seems to be taking a huge beating. So it doesn't matter what you're looking at. Most things are down, but we do still have Chainlink here in the green and some other ones here like Dash. But everything else mainly seems to be down, including a lot of the metaverse coins and different things like that. Right here we have Illuvium, which is actually currently down about 23% here in the past week or so. So things are taking a pullback, which is obviously a good sign as well, because we don't want things to just continue to go up, up, and up forever and ever, because then it's going to be way overbought right there. And right now, things are selling off. So let's take a quick look at some of these coins that we're looking at. So the first altcoin, you guessed it, it's going to be Crypto.com, also known as Crow. This one has taken a huge beating, over a 50% drop here. I believe actually close to about 55 to 60% drop from the all-time high, as I believe the all-time high was 99 cents. If we take a look here in the past 24 hours, we're down about 4%. So at one point, we hit lows down here about 43 cents, came back up, trading at around 45 right now. In the past week, this one's down 19%. Past month, down 16%, and then obviously on the 1 year chart, like I said, we hit highs of about $1 at one point, I believe here, right around Thanksgiving. So from $1, we're down about 55% from the all-time high area. We hit area here around 50 cents, came back up a little bit, and then continued to go even lower below that area. Now we have a very small support here at around 30 cents, 35 cents. So hopefully it does not go under that area. But still, if we're taking a look here in the 1 year chart, obviously this coin's up over 574% from about 6 cents or so last year. We went up to highs of about $1 at one point. So with this healthy pullback, this is still up over 500% in the past 365 days, which is still insane. 11.4 billion market cap currently. Volume's up 33% higher than usual at 184 million. We have typical hold time at 34 days, 66% buy activity, 34% sell activity, and it is still up there in the rankings. Popularity is ranked number 13 coin on the list. Crypto.com chain is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, so a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards. And obviously, we all love cashback rewards because you kind of get rewarded for spending our money, and that's definitely something that as a society we are a big fan of. Oh, let me spend some money and I'll get some cash back, which is kind of It doesn't make any sense if you actually take a deeper look into it, because you're just wasting money and sometimes that you're not willing to be actually spending. So crypto.com here, huge pullback, huge opportunity. There's over 100% opportunity here just to get back to the all-time high area. So 100% upside. I like the coin right there. Definitely one I'm going to be looking at. If you guys are in some of the bigger cities, crypto.com is all over the billboards, all over the place. Everybody's marketing. They're doing some huge things right now, and I believe this is just the beginning with crypto.com. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA, making a huge pullback on this one as well. This was one of the hottest coins in 2021, and then towards the end of 2021, things started to just fall apart for it. So here in the past 24 hours, this one hit lows at one point at $1.07, down about 1.5%. Past week, we're down 12%. Past month, down almost 5%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 333%. So we saw this one go from about a quarter or so last January from that high. We hit highs here in May at around 230, pulled back down a little bit to about $1 here in July when the market pulled back. And then we saw an explosive market here happening all the way to highs of $3. So this was here. Everybody was booming. Things were looking great. People were happy. It was trading at $3. And then this was closing close to about 100 billion market cap at that point from a $3 range. Then from $3, this took a beating here of about 60%, 65%, close to 65% drop. So it dropped down about 60% here since September here, beginning of September. It just continued to go downhill, little comebacks and then right back down, little comebacks, right back down. And it continues to do that same pattern here. Now, we are very close to the support level that we've seen here in July, obviously, and sometimes here in June, even in April and, March and time period here in the beginning of the year, around this $1 range. So the $1 range should be a strong support. Hopefully, we'll hold that support right there around this $1 range. So we're going to be watching Cardano very closely to see if it bounces off that $1 range and continues to come back up and make a recovery. So we're going to be watching that one very closely here in the beginning months of the 2022 to see how that performs. Market cap 38.6 billion, and we were trading at over 100 billion market cap at one point. Typical hold time 77 days, 80% buy activity, 20% sell activity. It is still ranked the number 6 coin even with all this dropping that we're seeing. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So obviously, Cardano took a huge beating, and we're waiting for that comeback, guys. So that's going to be our second coin. And then the third one is going to be BNB, also known as Binance Coin. Binance Coin here, hitting lows at about $412 here, down about a 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week or so, we're down 14%. Past month, this one's down 20% from highs up here of about $650. We were so close to the all-time high area, close to $690 or so, I believe, was the all-time high area that we hit at the beginning of 2021. Almost hit it here again in November time period, but then the market just started to make a little bit of a pullback and did not let it go up higher, and we didn't make it through. But obviously still on the 1 year chart, up over 1,000%, which is about a 10x opportunity right there. If you would have invested $1,000 at the beginning of the year in BNB, you would be up over $10,000 profit, which is insane. Obviously a huge return there. Market cap 72.1 billion right now, so the market cap is still pretty high up there. It is currently ranked the number 3 coin, I believe. Yeah, it's right behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. So right behind there. Obviously, if you're not familiar, Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So obviously, with this one being one of the bigger coins, it's actually holding up pretty well. It's only down about, I would say about what? Maybe about 30% or so from the all-time high area, which is not too bad. I mean, even Bitcoin's down, huge, but some of these other altcoins are down even bigger. So this is not that bad in my opinion compared to some of these other coins. So, looking very good here, there on Binance Coin as well, holding up strong in my opinion. So definitely something we're going to be watching as well. So those are the 3 altcoins. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Obviously, like we said, Shiba's down 6%, Doge is down 4% or so. At one point here, Doge was actually trading, I believe, at around 13 cents or so. In the past 24 hours, 14 cents, close to 13 cents at one point, down about 5% here in the past 24 hours. So even though everything else kind of came back up, Doge did not. Doge is down 15% the past week, 12% the past month, and then on the 1 year chart, obviously this one is up about 1,500% still, but that is because we had a huge rally with Dogecoin here in May, obviously hitting those highs and then pulling back with the whole market. But Doge continues to pull back lower and lower because it is the end, in my opinion. I believe Doge will continue to go lower and lower. People still believe that it's a great coin, but I would not be surprised to see Doge trading around 10 cents or lower in the near term. 19.1 billion market cap right there. Then we have the big dogs here. Ethereum down about 1.8%, hitting lows of about 2,900. And we talked about in yesterday's video how these areas are going to be very, very crucial under $3,000. And that's exactly what happened, but we saw a bounce back right away. In the past week, this one's down 17%, past month 20%, and then on the 1-year chart, we're still up 185%. So still doing some decent gains here on Ethereum, but we have been making a significant pullback here in the past few days and past few months actually here. Ever since pretty much November, from that all-time high area at around $4,900, we just continue to go lower and lower and lower. Now, this is a significant pullback now, if you guys take a look, obviously. Same thing with Bitcoin as well. So right now, 370 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 66% higher than usual, 79% buy activity, 21% sell activity. Then we have Bitcoin. In the past 24 hours, it's flat. It hit lows down here around 39,000 or so. If Bitcoin would have continued to go lower and lower, we could have seen a flash crash type situation happen here, but it came right back up and bounced back. In the past week, we're down 9%, past month 10%, and then on the 1-year chart, Bitcoin is only up 18%, guys. That's pretty insane to think about. If you would have bought last January in 2021 on the 11th, you would be down, you'd be only up about 18%. So even like the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were returning 20-25% or so in the past year. So you would have outperformed Bitcoin if you were just invested in those instead. So pretty insane to see that, actually. Market cap right under 800 billion, 33% crypto market space. Volume is up about 59% higher than yesterday at 33.4 billion. We have 75% buy activity, 25% sell activity. We're seeing this huge pullback. Obviously, we said that we're going to see that support level around the 38 to 39,000. If it goes below that, it could go even lower. So that was kind of like the danger zone. So if it goes under that area, once again, could be very bad for crypto because everything's going to pull back. Once again, I believe that cryptocurrencies might continue to pull back here into the spring. And, going into the summer, we might see a little bit of a turnaround and maybe another crypto type rally happening over the summer and into the end of 2022. So the beginning months might be bad, but the end of the year, I'm hoping to see a little bit of a comeback. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think is going to happen with cryptocurrencies this year? As always, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, make sure you understand what you're getting into before investing your hard-earned money. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Have a great week.